Good day, my name is Elkin Hernandez, and this is my alter ego. I have worked with dedication. Now I am a coordinator, and my college loves my work. I have been in this company for more than 5 years. I have a good experience. I have been national swimming champions in 2 occasions. I have improved my lifestyle thanks to my work. I have had several trips to Mexico, where is the main office of the company where I work. I might go to Barranquilla next year to see the new office. I had the opportunity to travel with my wife and my son to know the island of San Andres, and it is beautiful. I had the opportunity to match a soccer match in the Colombian national team in Rio de Janeiro. I have had the opportunity to meet a new country. I haven't jumped on a parachute. I might grow in the company if I keep working hard. Thank you.